Today we are going to discuss the Rankin coat of arms, but before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we offer genealogy research service at our website. Please visit us at coadb.com. First coat of arms to discuss is blazoned Gules, 3 boars' heads erased Argent between a lance issuing out of the dexter base and a Lochaber axe issuing out of the sinister, both erect of the second Crest, a lance Argent. This is for Rankin of Orchardhead in Scotland. There was Walter Rankin of Orchardhead, who was born around the year 1635. And the same arms was also later worn by one Charles Rankin, Esquire of Charlotte Street in Bedford Square, who was alive in the year 1826. Here we see the remains of Orchardhead House. Another Argent 3 boars' heads couped between as many battle axes Gules, and in the center a quatrefoil vert. Crest, a ship proper. This was for Rankin of Perth in Scotland. Alexander Ranken of Perth, who died in 1679, son of Alexander Ranken, also of Perth, who was a baillie, who was the son of Alexander Ranken of Perth, who died in 1678, son of James Ranken of Kinross, who was the son of Andrew Ranken of Kinross, who died in 1616. Gules, 3 boars' heads erased or, armed and legued Argent on a chief of the third, a chevron sable between 3 mullets of the first, Crest, the sun issuing from behind a cloud proper. For Robert Rankin, keeper of the lion records, appointed in the year 1773. Another for Henry Rankin, or Rankine, however it's pronounced, merchant of Rochelle, believe in France, and Edinburgh, Scotland, alive in the year 1679, said to descend from the Rankins of Shiel in County Ayrshire, Scotland, of whom Peter Rankin, alive in the year 1508, was the progenitor. He had son William Rankin of Shiel, who had son Lawrence Rankin of Shiel. Party per pale, indented Gules and Argent, 3 boars' heads erased between 2 flaunches, that on the dexter charged with the tilting spear, and that on the sinister with the poleaxe, all counterchanged. This was the coat of arms of James Lancaster Rankin, born 1818, Surgeon General in Madras, son of Robert Rankin, born 1784. Another, we're not going to read the blazon here, it's rather long, for James Rankin, Esquire of Bringwyn in County Herefordshire, England. He was a Justice of the Peace, a Deputy Lieutenant, and a High Sheriff in 1873. He was a Member of Parliament. He was created a baronet in 1898, the only son of Robert Rankin of Bromeborough Hall in Cheshire, who was born in 1801, a timber merchant and shipowner, who was the son of James Rankin, and brother of Alexander Rankin, born 1788, a Scottish merchant. And here we see James Rankin, Esquire, as well as the family estate of Bringwen Manor, and the estate of Bromeborough Hall. And lastly, we have or a Lochaber axe, Vestways, sable between 2 boars' heads couped Gules, Crest, a dexter hand, holding a spur or, the strap also proper, motto, forget not. This was the arms and crest of William McBean Rankin of Dudhope in Scotland, who was born in 1848. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer heraldic merchandise, high-resolution digital JPEGs, and genealogy service. Link in the description. Thank you very much.